Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you easy steps to fix the Life360 login error on iPhone. Step 1. Check your internet. First make sure your iPhone is connected to a strong and stable internet. Step 2. Find the Life360 app, then swipe it off to close it completely. Now reopen the app and try login in again. Step 3. Update Life360 app. Go to the app store, tap your profile picture and scroll to see if Life360 has an update. If yes, tap update. Step 4. Sometimes wrong time setting cause login problems. Go to setting, then general, then date and time. Make sure set automatically is turned on. Step 5. If nothing works, delete the app and reinstall it. Hold the app, remove or delete app, then go to the app store, download it again and try singing, try login, and that's it. Those simple steps usually fix Life360 login error on iPhone. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.